Good morning, Kurt here with Teach Mom How. Today we're going to teach you how to make a calendar, a year calendar or a month calendar, whatever you want, using Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. So Microsoft Excel makes this super easy. There's very little you have to do. All you do is you open Microsoft Excel, okay? Then you go to File, New from Template. And then you're going to look, they have all these templates, these pre-made templates. You're going to look for the calendar one. So search calendar. And you'll see there's a bunch of different types of calendars that you can choose from. I'm going to choose this full year one, illustrated seasonal any year calendar. I'm going to click create. All right, that's going to open up this calendar template. And from there, I can choose the year. It's already defaulted to 2024, but if you'll check this out, if I change this to 2023, it fixes all the dates. And it does that for every single month. It's pretty awesome. Okay. Curious to do the year that you were born? 1981, baby. Let's do this. About to turn 43. All right. What day was I born? I was born on Monday the 13th. There you go. So on the January tab down here, you can choose the year that you want this calendar to be. And what day of the week you want the week to start on. Typically it's Sunday, but you can do whatever you want. And then you can add things, stuff to do. You can add events on those dates. And there you have a calendar. If you'd like to print this calendar, simply go to File, Print, and you can print the calendar. Or Command P will also print the calendar. All right. Hope that was helpful. There's other calendar templates you can play around with, but that is how you make a calendar using Microsoft Excel. If you like that, please watch the other Excel tutorials that I've created and subscribe to Teach Mom How.